We've done massive Azure Standard grocery hauls in the past, and this is what an average monthly haul looks like for our family of 4. At the end of the video, we're going to show you the total that we spent for the month of June. One of the best things that you get every time is the Azure Standard next month sales flyer. Always make sure to check it out. We've already been going through and flipping through and seeing what we could find for July. We needed more of our 1-gallon jars. They come in a 4-pack and sometimes they are out of stock, so if you need them for your food storage, make sure to stock up. They're always packed very well in here. We've ordered them multiple times and never have had one be broken, chipped, nothing. You do have to order the lids separately, but they also come in a 4-pack or a 6-pack. Azure also has all kinds of random utensils and things, which are fantastic. I needed a new wooden spoon for cooking because I ruined my other one. In one of our favorites videos, I love the Beeswax cotton food wraps and had to get more of them, and they were also on sale, and I believe that they still are here for July too. Needed to stock up on some poppy seeds for some dressings and homemade bagels. With the Azure Standard poppy seeds, I had never looked at them before and had just seen them when scrolling through. The price for these is ridiculous. I think it was $3.60 some cents. That's basically the same price that I paid for this tiny little guy, who is 35 grams, and this is a pound of poppy seeds, 453 grams, for the same price, if not cheaper than this. Get your poppy seeds at Azure. And all of these products, Ben is gonna be putting the price of up on the screen, and then we will also have links to every single thing below in the description. Their Italian seasoning mix is so good, and I never thought in my life that I would need to buy a pound of seasoning at once. And I think it was the 8-ounce was the smaller size, and I couldn't believe how fast we went through that. So now we have the pound. With a toddler, we go through a lot of macaroni. And the Jovial brand noodles are so good. For being gluten-free noodles, sometimes with the gluten-free ones, when you cook them, they get real mushy or they just don't cook right. These are perfect every single time. We got 6 boxes of them, the 2 3-packs, and these are also on sale still right now too. So I've never made my own yogurt, but I have been making homemade baby formula for our little one, and I need whey from the yogurt. So I'm gonna make my own yogurt, drain my own whey from the yogurt to keep making the baby formula. If you are interested in a baby formula video too, leave a comment down below and we will get that made. Stocked up on some coconut flour, it's still frozen from being in the freezer. We stick our flour and rice in the freezer when we get it for at least 3 days, just in case there's any weevil, bug eggs, anything like that. With being organic, it's not sprayed, so none of those ickies are killed on it. So we like to give them a good kill first, and then we get them in our buckets, glass jars, however we decide to store them. These were a new item too, these everything Einkorn crackers. We've gotten the sea salt ones before, and they're very good. Wonderful, healthy ingredients, very good brand. Who doesn't like everything but the bagel seasoning? So when I saw these crackers, I knew we had to try them too. I think these are on sale too. I think all the Jovial products are on sale right now still through July. And if you saw in one of our top 10 videos, one of our #1s was our favorite cheese. Raw milk cheddar cheese aged over 60 days. And we had to stock up and get 2 of them. Lately, we've been getting 2. They're still always in stock. It's one of the items that's never not there. Knock on wood, hopefully it's always like that for us. I'll shred it up, get it in bags, get it in the freezer, and we'll pop it out and use it as we need it. Another new product that Azure had this month, I was very excited for. As you can see, it has already been gotten into. They have French fries. They were so good. We fried them up in the Dutch oven in some coconut oil with a bunch of sea salt. Delicious. Speaking of potatoes, so we love these little square hash brown Southern style potatoes. They have not been in stock a lot lately. Every time we've tried to order them, they've been gone. This time, I had put 2 5-pound boxes in our cart, and I didn't realize that Ben had put a 30-pound box in our cart, and what do you know? We got all the potatoes. So if anybody wants some little southern fried potatoes, we have 30 pounds plus 2 more 5 pounds. We also got 2 boxes of Ben's favorite organic blueberries that melt in your mouth. They don't have any of the icky skins at all. They're very good. And then we love this Rumiano butter. We got a case of it, 10 8-ounce packages, and they're all condensation-y because we just keep them in the freezer and set one out overnight, ready to go the next day. We like to get the unsalted too. Usually the salted is out more, but sometimes this brand, the butter, is out of stock also, so I try and get a case of it whenever I see it in. Also, haven't moved to the 5-gallon bucket yet, but still getting the 128 fluid ounces of the fragrance-free dish soap. Wonderful. And then we'd gotten one of these last time and decided to get 2 with being in the middle of garden season. This is a really good, just super basic across the board, nice fertilizer for any veggies, fruit, flowers, anything in the garden. It has a wonderful fishy smell, so you know it works very well. But we got 2 of these this time. And then you gotta have toilet paper. I thought that was wonderful that Azure Standard had toilet paper and I didn't have to go to the grocery store just to get that. So it makes it really easy just to throw it on your order. You can buy them singly. We got 2 of the 2-packs. Perfect. So this is fragrance-free hand and body lotion and this clarifying lemon tea tree shampoo. The shampoo smells so good and the lotion is great. It doesn't make you sticky, slimy, it just absorbs really well. A nice, light, moisturizing lotion. We get these many times. And then I ordered 2 of the 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐩𝐭𝐞𝐫𝐬 toothbrush. I like it a lot because it comes with an extra head to replace, and it's the same price of a toothbrush, Oral-B, or any other ones you would get at the store. So I like to just pick this one up from them because it's better company and the extra head's just right there already. And I'd actually ordered 2 of them, one for me and one for Ben, and they sent a junior size of a different brand, which every once in a while that'll happen with Azure, and you can always call them. Their customer service is wonderful. They will work with you with whatever you need, give you credit back. We have 2 little ones, so this extra toothbrush will get used, so I decided we would just keep it. And then I also got some Redmond bentonite clay for face masks or any of 1,000 uses as it says on the back. I tried to get it in May and it was out of stock, so I was excited to get it this time. Coming up soon, we have another top 10 Azure Standard favorite products video coming out, all about our favorite personal care items. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Our total for this order was $464. Plus shipping was around $39, so our grand total that we paid was $503.96 for the month of June. We've been ordering from Azure Standard for quite a while now, so if you have any questions or video requests, leave them down below in the comments. Thank you for watching, and remember to live free and find your purpose.